Hi, boys and girls. This is Mr. Yates. What I'm going to be doing is going over the word problem of the day for Tuesday, May 5th. On this one, we had a little bit of video issues, so it froze up the first time while I was writing it all out. So this time, I'm just going to walk you through everything that I wrote already down. First of all, I wanted you to check out your word problem just to make sure that we read it first. I always like to do that. The Outdoor Club buys 7 backpacks for $85 each. They also buy compasses for $85 or $55 each. If they spent a total of $925, how many compasses did the club buy? So what I'm going to do is turn this a little bit so I can see, and then let's go ahead and look at the word problem answer sentence. Our answer sentence is right here. They bought blank compasses. Really need to make sure you have the word compasses in your answer sentence, boys and girls. Your model should be a unit bar. Your model should also have a label like OC Money for Outdoor Club and labeled money. You also want to make sure that you have the 7 backpacks for $85 each, and that's what I did right here. This area is showing 7 backpacks, $85 each. I didn't want to draw all 7 spaces, so I just went B1 and B7 for 7. And also did a little bit of an expression. 7 times 85 equals the dollar sign of the total amount for the backpacks. The next thing I did is in my model, I also talked about the, and I just noticed a little typo right here. A little copy error. I was actually putting the question mark for number of backpacks, and it actually should have been compasses. So I'm actually kind of glad I redid this, because then I can fix it before I get a lot of emails from my students who are very eagle-eyed, which is actually pretty cool. But this way, I've already spotted the copy error first. So it should be question mark compasses, because we don't know how many compasses we have. We know that they're going to be buying at least one, and let me just erase that. We know they're buying at least one of them for $55. I went ahead and I put 3 dots to show that we don't know the number of spaces we should be drawing, but we do know there's going to be a last compass, and that's also going to be $95 or $55. At the very end of my unit bar, I put $925 to show the total amount that the Outdoor Club spent. And then I also added one more thing here. I had a little bracket, and I said that 55 question mark times 55, which is the total number of compasses, is going to equal the amount of money that they spent on compasses. So let me go ahead and take a look at my full expression. The full expression that I would have said here was 7 times 85, which is the total number of backpack money, or total amount of backpack money they spent. And I'm going to add it together with the total amount of money spent for compasses, which is question mark times 55, and that's going to be equal to $925 total. What I did to work that out is I took 7 times 85, and I then got 595 right here. I took 925 from here, and I subtracted this 595 that I had right here. So that's what you're seeing down here at the bottom, me taking away 525 or 595 from 925 right here. I end up with $330. That, boys and girls, is going to be the amount of money that we spent on compasses, or the Outdoor Club spent on compasses. $333 is equal to question mark times 55. Once I have that ready to go, my next step is to take the amount of money that the Outdoor Club spent on compasses, which is $330. I went ahead and divided it sideways. Originally I wasn't, but then I remembered that Shakes tells me to always go sideways, and I want to keep doing that. So I divided $330 by the amount of money that each backpack or each compass costs, which is $55. I found out that 330 divided by 55 is going to equal 6. And that's what I'm going to put into my answer sentence. They bought 6 compasses. And there you go, boys and girls. Thank you for checking. Make sure you have your answer sentence, your model, expression, and how you solved it on paper so that you can keep that for our Friday word problem of the day test. One of them will be your cheat sheet. Thanks for checking your word problem today with you, boys and girls. Bye-bye.